Are you ready to book your cruise? Give us a call. We'll do the rest.
He's got our tickets. I'm with him. Thank you.
Malaga overview.
Then at the end of the Roman period,
Malaga
they came
overview
the
tour.
Byzantines from the north, and at the year 711, the Arabs. And Malaga stayed an Arab city for almost 800 years. So then, since the end of the 15th century, that the city was reconquered by the Catholic kings, it's a Christian city. From the Christian period, we can see in front the Cathedral of Malaga. This is the main monument. And from the Arab period, we have the castle that is visible from the cruise ship. So behind this castle, we have from the Roman period a Roman theater. This is the three main monuments of the city. This town is called as well the capital of the sunny coast. We have a very touristic coast. Spain is a very touristic country. 100 million visitors this year. You see how the mega jobs we have all normally in the port of Malaga. You can see this one is fantastic. The yachts on the left. Different weather in the coast till the point that we can say that we have almost a subtropical weather in the coast. This is basically beside the more than 300 days of sun per year. This is a perfect place for the weather to live. This is the reason that we mentioned the 15 million visitors, but beside that, the whole coast is built.
Lemon trees.
We have around
That's what it is.
340,000 foreign people living in the coast the whole year round. European retired people, when they get retired, they came to.
That's the bull ring. All right, that's the castle. We're not going to go inside of it. Castle wall. Oh, wow.
The conquest of Malaga by the Christians after being Arab city for all 8 centuries was up the year 1487. Were born the painter Picasso. We have the born house of Picasso here in Malaga, born on the 25th of October 1881. Picasso family lived in Malaga. Picasso lived in Malaga until the age. Need to come back here because it's the only place where is room for a big bus and it's free, and we do not lose time. Otherwise, if you have to go to a cafeteria, then you have to buy a coffee or a bottle of water. And then here it's free. So we stop now. In a moment. Under this multicolor cube, here you have it on the right side. Underneath we have a Pompidou museum. So we have a collection of paintings of sculptures and from the...
Where you can use the bathroom at. Public restrooms here at the lighthouse. That's where we stopped at.
That's all.
Real club, never in it.
Normally we have people always in the beach, but today is a windy and cloudy day. People, they came to have a fish, which is the specialty of the province of Malaga. Is the sardine roast, sardines and anchovies, fried anchovies, and white fish, salted fish like golden fish or calamars. And we eat on those restaurants in the beach, like of Malaga on the right side. You can see it. Then next, the main street.
Downtown. Crowded. Mickey D's. Mickey D's.
This is the main street of Malaga, on the right. Now that we are here, just to see the Roman theater. Okay?
Roman theater it is. Roman theater. Okay, got a lot of magnets here. Come back and grab those. Headed to the Roman theater. Oh wow, look at down there.
It's 1 century after Jesus Christ, and the upper part is the castle. So then this theater was discovered in 1934. Before was covered. But when they were building the garden here, they excavated and they found the ruins of the theater. So then at the 3rd century after Jesus Christ was abandoned, and all this area became a fish factory where the Romans, they prepared a sauce called garum. We'll show you here where they prepare the garum. Those days in here, so they put a course of aromatic gas, fish in the middle, more gas, aromatic gas and salts, fish and salts. They leave it for 15 days. After they remove, and they keep it for 3 months. And after the fermentation, the fish, they produce a liquid that was very appreciated to the Romans. To the Romans, they can pay a year as a good coffee for the garum.
Garu.
Now we close to the other section at the moment. Then we see the cathedral, and then you will have a free ride. Okay? Bye.
That smelled like fish.
Souvenirs over here. I'm see what souvenirs they got over here.